All right, guys, so today I want to do a quick review on my CTR tire repair kit. I don't know if you guys are like us, but we're constantly doing road trips on the road. So we want to make sure that we have, a tire kit on hand, just to ensure that we're safe and ready for anything that may happen. So it's right here. So I'm kind of going to go over everything that you get in it. So you got your user manual, and then this is the actual kit itself. It's a nice hard casing on it. And let's look on the inside. I'll go item by item so you kind of see what you get. What you get are your gloves, you get your lubricant, you get your standard valves, you get your 4 screwdriver type valves, your T-handle. I hope you can see all of them. You get a spiral T-handle, like this. And then you get your repair cords. You get 40 of these. You get your gauge, some pliers, a knife cutter, some hex keys, some extension valves, and then a 4-way valve core tool. So literally everything that you need for a tire repair kit. If you're looking for a good tire repair kit, this one by CTR, highly recommend, 10 out of 10.